Okay, I'm going to show you how to filter to get some answers. Okay, so we're going to go over to the ribbon into the editing group. In the editing group, you're going to click where it says sort and filter. Click on that and then come down to where it says filter. Click on filter. Now notice that you have an opportunity to see a drop list box, okay, on each of the column headings. So our column headings include customer, customer name, mechanic, car type, work completed, number of hours, cost of parts, and total charge. So now suppose we want to get the total charge for all of the vehicles for this particular period. What we're going to do, we're going to click on total charge, and notice that it has everything that we need. Okay, so but suppose we want to look at only a particular car, so I'm going to cancel that, and we're going to look at for Audis only. So for the Audi, we're going to come and click on car type, deselect all, and click on Audi. We will OK this. Once we OK it, now it's only going to give us the results of all of the Audis, as you can see. So we have the oil changes, we have the hose belt replacements, we have the flat tire, all of these things we have here. Okay, so now we're going to come over to where it says total charge. We're going to come all the way down until we can find us a blank space. I'm going to remove this number right now, and I'm going to do auto sum. Click on auto sum. Now auto sum goes and it grabs the entire range that we need, as you can see. This is the range. Now once that total is in, we can go back to the formula bar and select it, right? So now this is exactly how much money the Audi cars bring in, okay? Now, suppose we want to go and look at another vehicle. And so if I want to click on car type again, then I want to come down to see what the BMWs are bringing in. So I'm going to OK that. Scroll all the way down. And because I put that total in already, it's going to actually, the formula in already, it's going to actually show the total. So 19,772. Okay. Now, and notice that the BMWs are being serviced by different mechanics. Now, if I want to see what mechanic 1 brings in, I would click on the mechanic, deselect that, select 1, and OK it. Now I can see exactly what mechanic 1 brought in. And it looks like most of his tasks includes flat tire, or include flat, okay, oil change. So we see $306. Now if I want to see exactly what mechanic 2 is doing, then I can click on 2 here, OK it, and then you can see mechanic 2 brings in a little more money. What about mechanic 4? Get rid of all of that, and then we'll go to mechanic 4 and OK it. Now mechanic 4 brought in $12,000. All right. So this is an example of how we filter. Now you can filter also by customer. If we want to see which customer, we can go to customer, deselect all, and let's do the first customer and OK it. All right, so customer 4 spent $1,970 with us. All right, what about customer 2? Another customer? Let's do Dugan and okay it. So Dugan brought in $1,856. All right, so you can actually compare who's our best customer. So you're basically going to have to go through them, jot down the amount of funds each of them is bringing in, and then okay it. All right, like this customer, John B. Haynes, maybe he's a new customer, or maybe we need to reach out to him to see if we can offer him some more service. Okay, so he only comes in for like oil changes. All right, so let's try another customer. Who is our big customer? Who's our big spender? Let's go to William E. Moran and see what William brings in. So we'll okay it. 1975. All right. So this is an example of filtering. This assignment, you're supposed to do some filtering. Look at, in module 5, I think it is, look to see exactly what questions I'm asking you to answer. And use this filtering process. I'm just showing you an example. Best wishes with it. Have fun doing it.